Welcome to this developer coaching session from Kwalee. As a publisher, we're always thinking about innovative ways we can market mobile games. While paid acquisition strategy is the secret to scale and growth, as game developers, we also have to carefully think about the role of organic user acquisition. It's not that these are free users. Many developers might start out believing that free users would just stop coming and downloading the game anyway, right? But it's very important to understand that unless we run paid activity, we would get almost no organics, because all of our organics do in a sense come as a result of paid activity. Some games do run on an organic only strategy, but this may not be a highly replicable or reliable strategy. We run paid activity, which helps the game snowball. It means players then talk to other people who maybe haven't seen an ad for the game, but use that recommendation to go and download it. This would then put our games higher up in the charts. So it's more discoverable and searchable when people are looking for just fun stuff to play, which then increases organic downloads even further. You need to be looking at your organic rate, also commonly known as the K factor. This is the percentage of total users that come to us organically and shows the connection between paid and organic success. Organics provide a lot of extra value because you're not paying for them to enter the game, but they still drive revenue. Now, there's two ways to factor organic installs into your estimated lifetime value. Option 1, you could look at your effective cost per install, or eCPI, and you could say that with all the extra users that you've got organically, how does that change the overall cost of your user acquisition? So it might be 50 cents to acquire 100 users. But if you require another 100 users on top of that for organics, then the effective CPI is actually 25 cents. And so your cost is suddenly less. Or option 2, you could in theory just add extra value to your LTV and say, on average, we expect to get this amount from paid users, and we're going to get extra value from organics. Therefore, our effective lifetime value would in this case be double. Remember, you're still able to track organic users the same way you track paid users. You just don't get as much information, like where they came from, or how they found the game. But as soon as they do install and play your game, our software will pick them up and track it.